Right, I'm getting ready to get started on this. Just made the coffee. Got a lot accomplished last night. Little slippers, the bed. I was able to fix the couch and turn it the right way. I had it turned the opposite way, which was bothering me. I made these little tiny flowers. That was not easy. As you can tell, the little handle's not so right on there. It wasn't easy. This little thing wasn't easy. On the plant. That green base is going to be a birdhouse. The base of a birdhouse. This will fall over until I glue it. Yeah, I'm not going to mess with it. Them are the little chairs that go with it. Despite their differences, both want to try again. The lamp. Here's one of the new dollhouses I got in the mail. The ones I ordered. These were a steal because these were $30-something on Banggood. They did lower the price to like $26, but I got them for $18 on Amazon. Usually you can't get anything cheap on Amazon. I think this one's just different. I want to do this one just because it's different. I have to quit buying these kits though, because I've got 3 whole totes and big, huge totes full of them. I'm never going to get them all done. What I'm going to spend this morning on this, or well, I guess it's afternoon now. I got up late because I worked on it most of the night. I did wire it up, but the lights didn't work, so I've got to try something else. I love these little kits. They're so relaxing and they're a lot of fun. You would have fun doing them. They take things off your mind, especially if you have something really heavy on your mind and you get into building these. It just takes all that stress and all that crap off your mind. If you're interested in purchasing one, you can get one from banggood.com. You can also get them from Amazon, but Amazon tends to be a bit pricey. You can also get them off eBay, but I don't trust eBay because I ordered 3 kits one time and never got any of them or my money back. So I was like a $30 loss. I tried to go through eBay and PayPal and nothing. And I guess I should have went through my bank, but at that point I was so frustrated I said to hell with it. But this is it. Hoping to have it done soon so I can start another one. Nate's graffiti room is done. It's just waiting to be it's just waiting all to be glued together. 4 minutes. Alright, well you guys have a good day. I'm going to get started on this and I'll post the end results at the end of the day. That's if Jana doesn't keep me so busy I can't get it done, huh Jana?